Hello everyone, my name is Shakenova Karima and I'm going to present my research that I have conducted in course of Introduction into Research in Applied Linguistics. The topic of my research is the role of intrinsic motivation of secondary school learners in foreign language learning. The content of this presentation starts from the purpose of the topic. Then I will mention the research questions that I should answer. Then I will talk about some important parts of literature review. Then I will present the research methods that I used and who the participants are. After that, I will discuss the results and findings and make a conclusion. The purpose of this study is to identify what are the common factors that increase intrinsic motivation for secondary school learners in foreign language learning. The research questions are: what factors affect learners' motivation in learning languages? And the next one is whether teachers focus on psychology while teaching foreign languages. To talk about the participants, because of the specific topic of the research, the participants are the students from secondary school. Research methods. In conducting this study and achieving the objectives of it, me as a researcher have used a qualitative approach. This method was chosen due to uses in describing the findings qualitatively. Qualitative data in this case were collected with the help of individual interviews and questionnaires. It can help to understand the exact point of view of each participant and ask additional questions if needed. Literature review. In this course of the development of the student's personality, it is necessary to combine external and internal, independently arising and forming in cooperation with the adult and under his or her guidance. Results and findings. In the first line chart below, which shows us the result of the first statement, I like English, we can see that 53% of students from secondary schools who agree and 20% the students who strongly agree. They are intrinsically great and ready for learning English, despite the fact that it is foreign language for them. The next statement is, I want to be able to communicate in English, in which more than half of the students, 67%, are really interested in this ability. Results of interview. Qualitative research was provided at the form of the interview. It consisted of 4 topical, connected to each other's questions. Can you tell me a little bit about your background of learning English, please? All of the participants told me about their learning processes of English and background. So me as a researcher tried to receive more information from that. 2 out of 3 participants learned the language for about 4-5 years from primary school. And third one also had this subject, but for him it was less useful, unlike self-study. And to sum up, the results of the qualitative analysis confirm that motivation affects students' foreign language acquisition and shows that the teacher's personality is foreign and spoken in his or her way of teaching, and they affect students' motivation. Teachers must be aware of their students' intrinsic motivation and, as a result, learn language teaching techniques and approaches. Otherwise, the students would get distracted due to lack of inherent inspiration. So thank you for your attention. I hope this video was very informative for you, and goodbye.